Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to refund on Shop app. So let's get into the video. So open up the Shop app and log into your account. So once I've logged into your account, so if you have an issue with an order, so you want to refund for it, so what you can do is simply open up the order. So go to your tracking tab here and then simply open the order that you have an issue with. So for example, here I'll just use this order. So just open it up. So once I've opened it up, so what you can do, there's two options that you can try. So either you can straight away contact the store. So for example here, so it's from Snitch, so I'll just contact it. So just choose if it's an email, just choose the email method. So just reach out to them and say that you want to refund, you want to say refund for the item, they're not satisfied. Or also what you can try on your top right here, there's three dots, click on it, and there will be an option called report an issue with this order. Simply click on it, and then this will also take you to the report page here, where you can send a request to the seller on your order. So why do you need it now, what's the issue, and why do you need a refund? So these are the options that you can try out if you want to refund. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.